Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart. You shit out of your love. Don't make me tell you again.
So, if you are staying in the UK, right? So, what is your one advice to make IPL better? Like as an outsider, what is your one advice to make IPL better?
Make it longer. No. I'd love if it was longer, but
BCCI would
maybe
love
that
it
would
too.
draw.
If
Yeah.
England didn't organize any series with New Zealand
Yeah.
or the likes of all
It
those
would
countries,
draw.
BCCI would have done that.
I think maybe making sort of including the fans a little bit more. Maybe I know some clubs are part owned by fans and things like that, but I think slowly the IPL teams are progressing onto social media and things like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think you see with football clubs, they have all these events, things to engage with fans.
Yeah.
Obviously, the IPL is a bit shorter; it's more of a temporary thing, but
Yeah.
it would be nice for more engagement with fans, and generally I struggle to find problems with the IPL because it's such a great tournament. I'm not sure
Yeah.
if do you guys have any suggestions to improve, because can't find
So,
many.
yeah, obviously there aren't many, but obviously there are a few. There's always room for improvement, right? So, as you said, the fan involvement. So, I think in the past few years, all these clubs have tried to do that, especially with the COVID thing going on since last year. I think all these clubs, all these franchises have their own YouTube channels, and RCB, for example, take RCB for example, they produce so much content. They
Yeah,
put out 2 videos on a daily basis during the IPL, which is a lot, and they involve players. It's not just
yeah,
random videos. They're actually involving players. So I don't think they can do anything else like to make more content with the players. I think the players are already very busy with the whole schedule.
yeah.
But I do feel that there is some room for improvement. Example, for example, broadcasting, right? So the broadcasting here is like really bad. I really hope that they could like do something better. For example, Crickbuzz, they have a great lineup. Okay, so Gaurav Kapoor is the host in Crickbuzz Live episodes. There's this guy called Joy Bhattacharya. Okay, so he was working with the KKR in 2012, I think. So he's an international quizzer, and he's genuinely amazing. Okay, he's genuinely, as a broadcaster, you wouldn't want to skip if he's talking. You wouldn't want to
Yeah.
miss him talking. Okay,
Enjoyable. Yeah.
and yeah, very enjoyable. So I think okay, these what Star Sports is doing right now is obviously they have these big cricketers who are like, take Brett Lee for example. Brett Lee is broadcasting, Brian Lara is broadcasting. What I would do is I would have these guys only to do the commentary, and in the pre-shows, mid-shows, and all of these shows, I would rather have guys who can talk something other than stats as well. So I think Star
Yeah.
Sports is very stats oriented,
Entertainers.
which
Yeah.
so which for an average fan, for someone who's not so much into cricket, it's actually a bit annoying that they're always talking about stats and all of that. So that is one area of improvement as a cricket fan from my
Do you
side,
think
definitely.
maybe as making it more sort of and entertaining as well? So rather than
Yeah.
for the regular cricket viewers, also making it a
Yeah.
bit more of a show, a bit more of
So a lot of fans in India watch the IPL even though they don't watch cricket. Okay, so these guys follow it because Bollywood. So a lot of Bollywood celebrities own these clubs. So their fans, for example, Shah Rukh Khan fans are fans of KKR now. Preeti Zinta fans are fans of KXIP or Punjab Kings now. So for these sort of people who actually are not that invested in cricket, for them to know what would happen in the death overs at 16.3 overs, how the bowler is bowling, it's actually not very, it's not very entertaining for them. So for them and
Yeah.
for people, for in general, like it could be much more entertaining, the broadcasting for me.
Yeah. Do you remember this thing called Super Sixes that used to happen?
Yeah, definitely.
That simple
was
thing
that when
used to
they
be
did
so
the
interesting. Like,
when they did the who could hit the longest sixes sort of
yeah.
stuff.
Yeah,
I think I've seen
yeah,
that.
Something as simple as that can also make it very interesting for
Yeah,
people
that's
to watch
actually
it.
true.
Or
exactly.
get the fans to do Super Sixes, like,
Yeah.
or
Fan
something like
competitions.
that they
I
can.
think
They
I think they did that once with fans.
Yeah.
They invited fans to take catches. I think super
Yeah,
catches or
Dream
something they
11 or
called it.
Oh,
something.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
something more like that would be interesting,
in the World
Maybe
Cup, there
like
was this thing.
yeah, maybe for Dream 11 with the fantasy teams, you get two fantasy people, get them their fantasy
Yeah,
teams or something like that for the game and do a competition or
yeah.
something like that. Yeah, flying
FPL
some
actually, this
fans in.
fantasy Premier League, the game of
Yeah.
the Premier League, yeah, the EPL. Basically, they have this show also dedicated entirely just to that game. So I think they could actually make a show themselves, called the Fantasy Indian Premier League or whatever, Dream 11 Fantasy
Yeah.
Premier League
And
show,
even get
and
them
actually have a
involved in the
dedicated
game.
show for the exactly. And it is very well known that once you have a fantasy team, you are even watching matches that you weren't going to watch earlier because now you're invested in it, right? Now you have players from Rajasthan and KXIP and SRH and CSK and MI. So you're
You need to
basically
see
going to
what's
watch
going
every
on.
match.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Do you remember there was a some kind of a winner or some lucky winner who used to get a match ball signed from the captain? From the even that used to be so fun. Like I wanted to be there someday. Bring that
Also
back at
that-
least. Like
That
do
Dream
something.
11, yeah, it was that
Yeah.
Dream 11 fan.
That would also be fun.
Yeah.
Vodafone Superfan, I think that was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vodafone Superfan. The advertisements can be better. Okay, one more thing. The advertisements can be better. So earlier, Vodafone used to have these Zuzu advertisements, which were nice. So there are always some advertisements that are associated with an IPL, some ad campaigns that are associated with a particular IPL season. For last example, for last year, we had Dream 11 run an ad campaign where they were inviting all these cricketers and they were doing ads with them basically. So obviously they were not as good, but they were good as well. So I think there is always room for improvement in these advertisement campaigns.
Yeah.
Love, 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 love.